Vuminji, 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 Plemunji, 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 Plemunji. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another Oy'Nissh vlog. So today, well, it's the beginning of spring. Well, there's an official date when spring starts, but I always think that spring for me starts the beginning of March. Just easier for me to work that way. So I'm in the Blackford Hill area, and I'll be searching for wild garlic. As you know, I go to different places to find out where forageable stuffs are. So this is the first time I'm doing a recording to find out if there's wild garlic in this area. So I'm just, as you can see behind me, is the steps leading up to the Royal Observatory. So I'm going to continue from this area and then see if I can follow two things, woodland and river running by. Because more likely where you've got both, you'll have wild garlic. So I'm going to turn the camera around and you're going to journey along with me. So those are the steps there. I think I started out from Black Hill, coming down from the Royal Observatory. From these steps, there are about 110 steps, I think, 120. And I'll go this way. And remember that sometimes you don't find loads of wild garlic in one place. It just depends on the area. Sometimes they're sparsely populating different bits or different regions. But I'm hoping that I can find an area there where there are a lot of wild garlic. Obviously, I won't be foraging for any today, but I just like to find out where things are that in the future I can come and check and see if I can get some for myself. So here we go, and we're going to just follow this path. I'm hoping that I will be able to. I think. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. So okay, so my best bet is you see these ladies. They are coming from this path that seem to descend down into that valley there. So I'm going to see if I can walk along there, and hopefully I'll be lucky enough to find an entry point. Here kids crying now. Let me just check. Oh, loads of dogs. Okay, so let me see. I think yes, there is an entry point. Hello. Hi. Yes, look, there are so many. Hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah.
That'll make some busy.
I know. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this one. She's so cute. Oh my word. Hello. Oh, I would. Oh goodness. Yep. This is what. Oh my goodness. I can smell it already. So at the moment, I'm smelling something garlicky. So there are either two things happening. Either I'm entering a region where you've got much wild garlic or wild leek. So that's wild garlic or vuminji or wild leek, which is also called plemunji in Oy'Nissh. The idea is to find out if chances are you've got both. It would be nice because when you're foraging in an area where you've got both, it means that you can just get both in one go. Sometimes you go to places and it's just wild leek, loads of it. Others just wild garlic. So I am I can smell the garlicness, the alumness, the alum family is big in this area. Oh, there's a outdoor school for kids. Let me see which is the best way to get down. Mm, uh, which should be the best way to get down. Uh, mm, just continue from here. Oh, I'm heading in the right direction. Don't think. There we go. Some wild leaf or lemon gin. I don't know if this actually leads down into the valley. Let's see. Maybe I'll have to go back that way. Don't think this way leads down but out. So, let's see. So loads of wild leek. Look at that everywhere. Everywhere. It's the entire place is covered. So that's I think that's what I was smelling more than anything else than wild garlic. So the thing is I've identified wild leek, but it's not obvious that there'll be wild garlic because I can't see any at the moment, you know. So I'm staying positive. No, I think I'm ascending. I don't think is there a path to go further down into the woodland. Let me just continue a little further. I want to get down that side, you see. I don't know if I can continue here and reach the bottom. Yep. Yes, yes, good. I'm in luck. For me, I love outdoors, woodland areas. Not so much a city center with all the buses and so forth. I like natural environment with trees and the smell of farm and so forth. It's just so relaxing, you know, in the fresh air. Not much traffic passing by, just the river running, the birds chirping, etc. So I am in luck. Yes, wild, wildly. No wild garlic yet. It's a shame. Wild leek is everywhere. It's like it has invaded the country everywhere. And poor wild garlic have nowhere to go or grow. But stay positive. Stay positive. Mm. Let me just see if I can locate some here. No, it's all wild leek, all pemmican. It's no, wow, it's no wild garlic. Ah, well, I guess not everywhere grow wild garlic grow. I just thought wherever we've got running water and woodland, that combination is ideal for wild garlic. But apparently, it seems like the other plant have taken over so much that it doesn't get the chance to grow. Let's check along the edges. Nothing. Anywho, not giving up. I'm not. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me just confirm that my eyes are not tricking me, because let me show you something. So, wide leek, the leaves are slender, as you can see. They are needle shaped almost, right? And my eyes just glance on a broader leaf. So I don't know if I'm correct that it's wild garlic. I might be wrong, but let me check. Look at this. That is wild garlic. Look. And that too. Look at the difference. So this, you've got this, and then you've got that. So this is the wild garlic or vuminje, and this is the wild leek or pemunje. So yes, even even the fact that I see there are two plants so far. Got one, two. Oh, and there's another one there in between, as you can see there. Three. Yep. So normally when you see this, it's guaranteed that you'll find more, because the bulbs help to populate the area as time goes by, and the flowers. So I am thinking that nearby there'll be wild garlic. So let me check which place first to go. So I am going to go over on this side and check, because chances are there might be some along the hillside. Let me check. Yes. Hmm. Nope, not seeing much progress. Yeah. You know, after doing this for a while, you can even stay from afar and tell if there's wild garlic or not. You just look for the width of the leaf or leaves, and you can tell if it is or it isn't, without even having to go further. So all I can see are needle-shaped leaves. So I know that there isn't any, well, not much in this area, or maybe none at all. But let me check here. No, there isn't any. They're all wild leek. So okay, let me check on this side. Okay, check along the hillside. Um, nothing. Hmm, okay, just check up here. Wow, this place is a bit empty on the wild garlic side. Whew, goodness, I thought there'd be loads, but don't give up. I'm confident there will be more wild garlic. It's just that I haven't reached the place yet. We might, it might be that when I do find wild garlic, they're all in one place, you know. So that's what I'm hoping. So let's hi. Mm, let's go to see. No. Wonder if I can get up that side and check. Let me just check inside here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I'll just continue up the road because I might. Interesting. A big place like this and it's not filled with wild garlic. Oh, I'm thinking that the leak is so invasive that it probably just pushed the wild garlic aside pretty much. But the place is just, you should be here to smell it, man. It's just so garlicky. without wild garlic. Shocking. Yeah. Should I go up here? Let me just walk out this road and turn back. I need to check up there just in case. But I'll just continue along here first. Finish this bit. Hmm. I think we're coming out to the main road. Let's see. So there's another level up here. So I'm going to let's just finish this bit. I'm not sure yet. Okay, there's a wee bit. Okay, so I haven't really found any wild garlic along this main road. Even when I try to look on the other side, it's mainly wild leek. But I'm going to have a last go by going up this path and see if I'll be successful. So I'll make part 2 of this video going up the hill and check that there is or isn't before I conclude that this area isn't ideal for foraging for wild garlic.